I've got here is another pre-assembled kit. I do have this bench power supply, this 10 unit, also branded as Corad in North America. But it's handy to have two. Don't need much current, so I'll buy this little kit. Now, again, it doesn't come with a transformer, and it is 24 volts. Now, transformers are quite expensive, so you can power it from switch mode power supply. Just get a 12 volt, 24 volt switch mode power supply, and then you can connect that up. See if that's in shot. It is. Right. Set the current limit on my power supply to 1 amp, just in case anything. I'll set it to 500 milliamps for now. Voltage. This thing can output up to 28 volts, so I need to set the output voltage to 30 volts. 30 volts. So that's 30 volts at half an amp. Now, obviously it's designed for AC, so I need to connect capacitors to the rectifier. So the input voltage to the other side of the bridge rectifier, just for testing purposes. And then what I'll do is I'll buy a switch mode power supply and put this in the case. Let's have a look. Is that capacitor soldered it wrong way around? Yeah. Oh no, it ain't. Oh. That's obviously the positive. That's the negative there. Right, let's do this little test. Positive on there, negative on. Oh, you can see the traces anywhere. Oh, fine. Right, moment of truth. What's going to happen when I turn it on? Ooh. These are rotary encoded with the are, yeah. Set 12 volts. That must be voltage and current, so there's no instructions for this. So let's say it's a basic 5 volts. And voltage star 5 volts. Yeah, there's a bit of chinglies here in there, so yeah, perfect for the electronic load test of this, won't it? And how do you turn the output on? That's the big question. Press and hold maybe. Nope, that lets it reboot. Okay. How do you turn the output on? I wonder why the fan's not working. Is it only come on when it gets warm? Press them both. No? hell do you turn this damn thing on? Turn the output on. I presume it should output something. What? Oh yeah, there is a voltage on it. So it must be the output must be on all the time then. Well, there's the first problem. It says 5 volts on there. The output voltage is 5.05. The accuracy of the built-in voltmeter is not that good, is it then, is it? And the fan doesn't work. You can see there. Yeah, 5.053 on the meter. 5 volts on there. Now, why doesn't the cooling fan work? I'll soon find a schematic for it. Well, found the schematic. The fan is connected to a 7824 regulator, which is down there, which is not getting warm, but most of the fans are knackered. No voltage there. Nah. There's a thermal sensor on the side of the heatsink, that's why. Right, well, let's set the test the accuracy of this thing then. Don't like the way you can't turn the output off. So that started at 16 volts. 16.13. It's about between what? Yeah. 50 millivolts, 100 millivolts out is the accuracy of the display. Well, okay. Set the voltage to back to 12 volts. It measures 12.09. Oh, it's not bad. It's not bad. You just got to make, well, yeah. So let's try shorting it out and see what it does. I need to set the current limit of the PSU to a bit higher than that. See, it's set to 2 amps output. Let's see what happens when I short it out. 2 amps, yeah. Okay. It's not bad. Well, that heatsink gets a bit toasty. Should I short it out again? When it's all rated at 2 amps anyway, this power supply, so yeah, 2 amps is the maximum it will go to, so this is obviously the fan's not coming on there. Obviously, I don't want to blow the damn thing up, but that fan needs to be wired so it's on all the time, because that heatsink is bloody hot. I can't even touch that, and the fan hasn't come on. So, well, we can just modify that by just putting a lump of solder. Let's check that out with lamp. exactly 1 amp. Short it out again. Yeah, well, it's not bad. Seems to be working alright. I think I'll do a bit of modification to that. Where's my colours go? So in short, this thing really, accuracy is not bad, I don't suppose. Fan doesn't work. Other than that, it can seem a little bit PSU. If I get a spare case and a power supply from somewhere, or even a mains transformer, I might consider putting it in a case and using it. Other than that, it can go in my things to fuck about with later box, along with the aforementioned current load. Yeah. So let this fan run all the time. So just bridge. Bridge that out there. That's probably bad for your solder, so I'll put a bit of wetted solder on it. Shite out of the way. So now that fan should work. Which one will positive again? That one. I like the way they just use the paper clip to hold the thermal sensor on. Oh there, still doesn't work. Oh, it does. Yeah, it does work. It's not remembering it's oh it is. You just got to press the you got to press the enter button to make it actually start it next time you turn it on. Yeah, I'm going to turn that off. Yeah, there we go. Well, I think that pretty much concludes it. Not a bad little PSU. Let's try shorting it out again. Yeah, drawing 1 amp. Hopefully this time it won't get red hot. Overload, it says no. What? How can it be an overload? Oh, it's just shorted it out, you dumbass. Yeah. Well, it's keeping it cool, so. Oh, okay. For a cheap little power supply kit, I don't think it's bad. More or less concludes the fuck about for today, so. Yeah. Next thing, I'll tear down some avionics stuff when it comes next week from eBay. That's my next Friday's project. Until then, that concludes the video. Thanks for watching.